Big news that could be a game changer for the Toronto real estate market, another interest rate cut from the Bank of Canada. This is the third cut in a row, bringing rates down by 0.25%. And if you've been waiting to make your move, now's the time to listen up. The market is shifting, and I'm going to break it all down for you so you can take full advantage. Hi, it's Stephanie Nause from the Homeplicity Realty Group at Keller Williams here in Toronto. Before we jump into this huge rate cut news, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. We're talking real estate trends, predictions, and strategies, so you'll want to stay in the loop. And if you're watching and have questions about your next move in the market, drop a comment down below or reach out directly. Now let's get into it. The Bank of Canada has just announced its third consecutive rate cut, another 0.25% basis points, which brings the key interest rate down to 4.5%. Now, this isn't just a number, it's a signal. The real estate market is waking up, and we're already starting to see the impact. In Toronto, we've been through a bit of a standstill lately. The last year was slow, especially after a few rate hikes left buyers hesitant and sellers holding on to old price expectations, but things are changing. With these rate cuts, we're seeing renewed interest and more buyers are going to be entering the market. Fall traditionally is one of the busiest seasons in real estate, and this year we're expecting it to ramp up. But here's what I want you to know. This isn't going to be a crazy outbid everyone market. We're not quite there yet. However, if you've been sitting on the fence and waiting for a sign, this is it. Well-priced homes, especially those that have been lingering on the market, are going to start attracting more attention. What's happening with prices? The forecast is that we'll see an overall softening of an additional 2% in Toronto throughout the rest of 2024. With more inventory in the market, especially in the condo sector, prices are coming down. So if you're a buyer, this could be a window to get in before things pick up again. For buyers, this rate cut opens up more opportunities. You'll be able to afford more. And with prices dropping, you'll maybe score a deal, especially in the condo market where we've got a lot of supply still. This is the perfect time to start browsing listings and really get yourself into a position to act when the right property pops up. For sellers, the message is clear. If you've been waiting for the right time to list, now's that moment to get ahead of the fall rush. Buyer activity is heating up, and homes that are priced well and show well are going to move. We're not talking hyper competitive bidding wars yet, but you'll want to position yourself to capture the rising demand. So looking ahead, what can we expect? Spring 2025 is where things could get really interesting. With experts predicting further rate cuts, we might see the market truly take off again in the new year. And if rates drop to 3.75% or lower, which is on the horizon, expect more buyers to enter the market. Let's not forget the condo market. Investors are still on the sidelines. They're waiting for deeper rate cuts before jumping back in. That means if you're looking to buy a condo, this fall might be your sweet spot. There's less competition and plenty of options for you to choose from. Pre-construction, not likely to see a full recovery for another year. Prices are still high and the construction costs are through the roof. But once the resale market stabilizes, we might start to see more movement in that space as well. Until then, I'd focus on the resale market. That's where the action is right now. So my advice, if you're a buyer, take a good look at your financing options and start your search before everyone else catches on. Sellers, get your property ready. This fall market is already showing some signs of life, and we don't want you to miss out. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give us a like, share with somebody who might be thinking about making a move in the Toronto real estate market. And if you have questions specific to your situation, I am always here to help. Go ahead and drop a comment down below or reach out to me directly. Do not forget to subscribe so you're always in the know about the latest market trends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.